Hey there, welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to build a successful online business using ChadGPT AI. ChadGPT is a cutting-edge AI platform that can help you with everything from market research to customer service. So, without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Identify your niche. The first step in building an online business with ChadGPT is to identify your niche. What industry do you want to focus on? What products or services do you want to offer? Once you have a clear understanding of your niche, you can use ChadGPT to research your market and identify potential customers. Step 2. Develop your business plan. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to develop your business plan. This should include your mission statement, goals, and strategies for achieving those goals. ChadGPT can help you develop a solid business plan by providing insights and recommendations based on industry trends and customer behavior. Step 3. Create your website and online presence. Now that you have a business plan, it's time to create your website and establish your online presence. ChadGPT can help you design a website that is optimized for SEO, user experience, and conversion. You can also use ChadGPT to manage your social media accounts and engage with your followers. Step 4. Use ChadGPT for marketing and advertising. One of the most powerful features of ChadGPT is its ability to help you with marketing and advertising. You can use ChadGPT to create targeted ads that are tailored to your audience, as well as to track your campaign performance and adjust your strategies as needed. Step 5. Provide excellent customer service with ChadGPT. Last but not least, ChadGPT can help you provide excellent customer service. You can use ChadGPT to automate your customer support and provide instant answers to common questions. You can also use ChadGPT to gather feedback and improve your products and services based on customer input. Conclusion. And there you have it. By following these 5 steps, you can use ChadGPT to build a successful online business. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your existing business to the next level, ChadGPT is an invaluable tool that can help you achieve your goals. So, why wait? Start building your online business with ChadGPT today.